Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be alive. We're seeing crypto markets are going up. We saw the broader markets going up. We're going to talk about, Google. Google had huge earnings, and that caused the stock price of Google to pop. However, we saw PayPal's earnings were down, down. Now, keep in mind that February is often a huge earnings month for the broader market, so this could have some impact on cryptocurrencies overall. But we're seeing a lot of earnings reports, particularly in the internet space, doing very, very well. So that is good, and that's one of the reasons why we saw the broader markets yesterday going up, and that helped push crypto, Dogecoin, and all the other coins up. So this is very good news. We're going to talk about Robinhood and the Dogecoin wallets, guys. What's going on over there? Looks like there's more life out there for the Dogecoin wallets on Robinhood, and we're going to show you more evidence that this is going to go live very, very soon. And we could see these wallets coming out as early as the end of March, guys. So this is huge news. And my insider source says that the public release of these crypto wallets are set for April 1st, guys. April 1st, this could be huge, guys. So let's get into the content right now, without any further delay. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG here in Vietnam. The Ric Flair of crypto coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. I'm feeling fine, guys, because often, Chinese New Year is often a very Debbie Downer month for Bitcoin, and time again, we often see that Bitcoin goes down during Chinese New Year. So I think a lot of apes, in anticipation of that event, sold off all of their cryptocurrency, a couple weeks prior. And that's, we also had the broader markets down. We had the leverage traders and the VC capital people out there going nuts, losing their mind. They didn't know what's going on. And I think they realize now that they oversold and they overreacted to the Fed chairman's rate hikes in the house. And now it looks like everybody's buying back in. So that is good news. And that's one of the reasons we're seeing Bitcoin and the crypto space going up. So that is good news. And could we be entering a super cycle, guys? I believe it. William Clemente believes it. Matthew Hayward in the house believes that we're heading into a super cycle, and this could see Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and all the other altcoins going up, guys. We're seeing right now the Bitcoin dominance is at the highest it's been in the last couple months, guys. So that's another reason why we're not seeing Dogecoin and the other altcoins move as fast as Bitcoin. So keep your eyes on the screens, guys. Buckle up, because the altcoin season is going to come, and this is all going to blast off in spring. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And a lot of you forgot that we got the Doge X to the moon coming in April. A lot of you forgot about all these huge catalysts for Dogecoin, and trust me, when this happens, could we be seeing that Dogecoin to $1? I don't know. I think at least 50 cents, guys. 50 cents definitely could be on the cards in the future for the Dogecoin. So let's jump into the content, guys, without any further delay. You don't want to listen to the OG, nattering on like an old chicken. So right now we see that the pre-markets are looking pretty good, guys. Dow is down, but everything else, NASDAQ futures, that's tech, in case you're wondering. And right now we see there's a huge correlation between tech and Bitcoin. S&P futures are also up. And yesterday the U.S. markets were pretty good. Pretty good overall. We saw things going up over about 0.5%. So that's another reason why we're seeing Bitcoin going up. Also, Metaverse is going nuts right now. Metaverse real estate sales top 500 million and are projected to double this year. So a lot of the Metaverse apes are aping in and buying virtual land. And we got Facebook, the Zuckerberg. I must say I'm not a big Facebook fan. They're changing to Metaverse. I think this is really going to be huge, guys. So guys, pick up your land on the Metaverse, guys. I've got a little bit of land on Metaverse, just in case. We saw PayPal stocks plunge on weak earnings guidance. PayPal reported mixed Q4 2021 earnings on Tuesday and provided guidance for next quarter that fell short of analyst estimates, guys. So that is not so good, guys. It also reported weak full-year growth guidance of 2022. So it looks like PayPal's, having some problems. And also, one of the issues out there is, you guys also heard that PayPal turned on the ability to buy crypto on their platform. But basically, you can buy the crypto on their platform, but you don't actually own it, because they don't have crypto wallets enabled. So basically, if you want to sell it, you got to buy it through the PayPal platform, and then if you want to sell it, you got to sell it back to fiat on their platform. And when you buy and sell, the fees are outrageous, guys. So like it's like the dumb dummies who buy, if you buy crypto on PayPal, you're dumb, because you're going to pay a whole bunch of fees, like 3-4%, guys. So this is I think a lot of people who thought that this was going to be a good thing, it turned out to be a bad thing, because the fees are crazy, guys. So from that perspective, remember, this is not financial advice. Don't be buying your crypto on PayPal, because it's expensive and you don't actually control it. You don't own it. It's similar to what Robinhood is doing right now. And, when it comes to Robinhood and Dogecoin wallets, this could be one of the key catalysts that could destroy Robinhood as a platform, because they're just dragging their feet, guys. So Google, Alphabet reports big fourth quarter earnings and beat the stock expectations, and the stock pump, guys. So that is cool, guys. So we saw Alphabet was up $117 yesterday and was up 4.25%. So that's pretty good in the house, guys. So let's keep going, guys. We got some huge earnings and huge announcements coming out on the 10th. We got the CPI data. The CPI data is coming out on Thursday. So keep an eye on that. We may see a little bit of volatility up until those dates, guys. So keep an eye on the CPI data. This is very important. This is a huge announcement. So from my perspective, you guys need to zoomy out, and I still believe that the bull run is still here, still in a bull run. This could be a super cycle. And if you zoom out, and this is Bitcoin, and it runs all the way back to 2016 to now, you can still see, even though we had peaks and valleys in the short-term time frame, we can still see that Wendy Trendy is your friend, and this is definitely going to the upside, guys. So this is cool news. Also, recent price triggered whales to accumulate roughly 330,000 BTC now belongs to the whales between 36,000 and 38,000. So as I told you, when the weak Nancy's, the retail investors who ran to the hills and hiding under rocks and in caves, who dropped their loads running away, and their coins were going ching out of their pockets, the whales bought more and accumulated, guys. So diamond hands, dollar cost average, hodl like never before, and wait for life-changing wealth. This is not financial advice, because every time you guys panic sell out there, what happens is the whales pick up your coins on the cheap, and then they have the tenacity, the fortitude, and the foresight to hold. And when Bitcoin hits that holy grail of $100,000 in spring, it's going to be huge, guys. Let's take a look at the heat map in the house. So the heat map in the house, it's not working. So let's move on. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin monthly returns. We saw that in January was a huge Debbie Downer month. Overall, the returns on Bitcoin were down 16%. But so far, so good for January. Keep our fingers crossed. We're seeing that that Bitcoin price is up 0.26%. And we're only in the second day of February here in Vietnam. So this is a cool news in the house, guys. Other stuff coming in. Is this a Bitcoin super cycle? This was from TMZ. And a lot of other TA analysts went on this huge 1 hour blog, podcast, and they were convinced, and I'm convinced that we're seeing that this is a super cycle, and Bitcoin is going to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon, guys. Woo, let's get it, guys. So some more evidence here that February compared to prior year, same day, up forever. So it seems that on the same day from 2012 to 2022, we see that this is a pretty good day for Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin. And price on this day in February 01, I thought this was quite interesting. Back in 2012, Bitcoin was $6, guys. So if you guys had loaded up on Bitcoin and waited till now, you guys would be in so much money. It would be like crazy. That's 10 years, guys. You could be like gazillionaires. 2020 was only $9,000, right? And last year, 2021, on the same day was 33,000, guys. So if you just zoom out, things are looking pretty good for the bitty, guys. So keep on keeping on. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, be happy. Don't forget to give super chats. Keeping it simple. Nothing to get overly excited about until BTC starts closing above 40 to 41K confluence with this 3-month diagonal resistance as well. So guys and gals, once we see Bitcoin get over $40,000 to $41,000, that is going to be huge in the house. And you can see here that, if you look at my horizontal resistance, that is exactly in that box, guys. And you can still see that right now Bitcoin is at $38,475. Keeps moving on me. I'm getting dizzy. So we're moving into this zone, and once we get in the zone and clear the zone, then we're going to see a $40,000 Bitcoin. That's our next resistance, followed by 41. And once we get past this box, guys, once we get past this 42,295, sky's the limit, guys. Absolutely, sky's the limit. Sky's the limit, guys. So some other stuff's coming in. Bitcoin market cap dominance hits 2-month high as altcoin struggle. So the Bitcoin dominance, we're seeing more and more money flowing into Bitcoin and flowing out of the altcoins. That's why we're seeing a little bit of a bloodbath on the longer time frame for the altcoins. Once Bitcoin settles and people have gobbled up enough Bitcoin and they feel comfortable and then we have stability in Bitcoin. Once we get past that horizontal resistance, we're going to see Bitcoin dominance drop. We're going to see the altcoins season coming in late spring, guys, late spring, early summer, and we're going to see the altcoins absolutely moonshot, guys. Don't forget we got Dogecoin coming, guys. Don't forget that. And look, if we look at the fear and greed index right now, we're seeing fear and greed is 28, so there's moving up, guys. So we're in fear. We've gone from 26 to 28, so this is pretty good. This is a contrary indicator, guys. So you guys, this is not financial advice. I'm loading up. You may want to consider that. Load up, guys, because I think that the super cycle is in, guys. Let's take a look at the Doge Warrior right now. So Doge Warrior is looking pretty good. It is now, moving above the center line of this channel. We're trading at 14.27 right now, and we got support at 13 cents, and we have overhead resistance at 15 cents. I absolutely believe that we're going to get going, and Doge is going to make it past 15 cents very soon, guys. So this is in, guys. It's in. So this is the Dogecoin wallets, guys. The Dogecoin wallets on Robinhood. Sure, it's still in beta, guys, but like I said, I have inside information. I had a friend that works at Robinhood, and he told me that April, the public release of the wallets are coming out. Absolutely, it's going to happen, guys. So right now, you can send and receive Dogecoin. If you're one of these guys that signed up or on the waiting list and you are now off the waiting list, it's absolutely happening. You can send and receive. It's working, guys. I tried it out. It's working. It's working like a charm. So I only have a little bit of my Doge on Robinhood. I did that kind of a testing way back when because I wanted to, be in tune with the community. I wanted to feel your pain, guys, and feel your agony. And it's just crazy when your cryptocurrency and your Dogecoin is locked up in there and you can't do anything with it. The only thing you can do is sell it, transfer it to your bank, then transfer it back onto another platform, and every time you sell and transfer, you lose a little bit of money on the fee, so it's really crazy, guys. Also, too, this is what, I know a lot of you are on the wait list. You're 40,891. I know some of you are like 300,000 and way down there. It's like, hey, you out there, and it takes a light year for the message to get to you. But they're coming April 1st. We're going to see that the Dogecoin, Robinhood wallets, and the crypto wallets in general are going to go live, and it's going to be a huge time. And also, if you go to the support page, they still in Robinhood they talk about crypto wallets, activating the wallets, two-factor authentication, all this stuff. So their website is already geared up and set up for the wallets. It's just a matter of the knuckleheads at Robinhood turning on the wallets. Come on, what are you in for, guys? So if you look at Dogecoin right now, let me give this a little bit of a refresh. Make sure we got the right info for you. And let me just get this cookies. I'm the cookie monster. Except I hate cookies, right? Just get out of there already. So we're seeing that 50% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money, guys. This is huge. And 47% out. And it's looking mostly bearish. But, Dogecoin is kind of like a stable coin. It's going sideways, guys. I loaded up yesterday a whole ton. So I'm still happy I'm in the money, guys. Some other stuff that's coming out right now is, this is from Matthew Hayward in the house. My man, my bro. It looks like Bitcoin daily RSI is continuing to see a breakout. Will the price fall? So the RSI is broken out to the upside. So we really need the price to follow and get on up. Giddy up, Dogecoin, because the reason I keep talking about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, is because once Bitcoin makes a move to the upside, we're going to see that what's going to happen is going to be a catalyst that's going to send all the other altcoins going higher and higher. So that's why it's so important, because Bitcoin really leads the pack. So Plan C in the house, guys. 69% of the daily sell pressure over the last 365 days has come from individuals taking profits. So we're seeing a lot of retail investors who took profits, ran to the hills, and now they're sitting on the sidelines and they're waiting for something to happen. Unless we get a black swan event or price action below 28K, I feel this is the end of the correction phase, guys. And we have seen the bottom. We've seen the bottom, and now we're moving on up, guys. Moving on up. Boop. So things are looking pretty good from that perspective. I'm bullish. And you can see that the Russian government estimates that its citizens own 200 billion worth of crypto, guys. So, the Russians, the Ruskies out there are holding a ton of crypto, guys, and that is good news. And that's why, the Kremlin said we're not going to ban crypto. We're not going to ban crypto. So once again, Bitcoin is at $38,489. We could be seeing $39,000 coming back. If we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, we're about to breach the apex of this triangle, guys. We got the upward support line here, and we got the downward sloping line here. We have broken above our previous resistance of 38,000, so that is cool beans in the house. We're going a little bit sideways, so that's why we're seeing Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and all the other altcoins just kind of doing the same thing right now. So I'm feeling pretty positive. You should be positive. Let's get it, guys. We're going to see a huge breakout for Dogecoin, and we're going to see a huge breakout for Ethereum. So Ethereum is doing good. It's broken past the $2,700 resistance. It's now $2,757. So that is good, and it has followed my white support line exactly as I predicted. It broke out of the apex of the descending triangle, and it looks like we're going up. Our next target to hit is 3,000, guys. So you guys feel pretty bullish about that. And right now, guys and gals, we're seeing that Phantom is going sideways in this channel right now, and it's got support at $1.91 and resistance at $2.38. I'm not worried right now. I'm not panicking, because as long as we stay in this channel, even when we go sideways and we're midway in the channel, we should be just fine and dandy, guys. Don't worry about it. Phantom's going to make some moves, and we're seeing that Solana is starting to break out. We have this W pattern that I talked about yesterday, a huge W pattern right here that formed. It's a bit messy, but it is a W pattern. We have broken out the neckline. This is my next target, and it's $125. We're at $108 right now, and this has become a new support area, 102, guys. So looking pretty good for Solana. Solana is making some moves, guys. Solana, guys. So that is pretty good in the house. So if we look at the total, accept cookies. I'm a cookie monster. I'll accept it. So we're seeing the total market cap right now is 1.8 trillion. So that is good news. We're seeing that the volume is still light and low. Remember, a lot of the Asian markets are still kind of on the holiday mode. I mean, my wife's like in holiday mode, right? So also, I want to give a big shout out to David Ricine and his daughter and granddaughter. They had a huge fire yesterday at their apartment. The apartment was destroyed. Luckily, they got out of there. They were not injured. There was one gentleman out there. He's a real hero. He actually had to break a window to go next door to rescue an old lady. Unfortunately, he has, done some injury to his arm, and he may lose his arm. But that guy's a real hero. So, David out there, your daughter and granddaughter, and the Superman hero that went in a blazing fire to rescue an old lady who could not get out. God bless all of you. Our prayers were with you. They lost everything. They absolutely lost everything. So, hopefully they'll get back on their feet. I know David's out there giving a big support. So God bless you guys. Thank God you guys are safe out there. So with that being said, guys, say a prayer for David's daughter and granddaughter out there. And basically, the Bitcoin dominance is at 40.51 in the house, guys. And let's take a look at the coins in the house. Accept the cookies. So right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin is up. It's up 0.46%, so that's looking pretty good. We're seeing that Ethereum is up 2.33% at 27.58. We're seeing BNB right now is also up. So things are looking pretty positive. ADA is up 4%. That's pretty good. Solana is up to almost 6.5%, 108 right now. Luna is up as well, just ever so slightly, and we're seeing a DOT is up 3.92%. That's looking good, and Doge is in a positive territory, so that's what we want. We want to see positive territory out there, and Shibi Weeby is also up as well. So things are looking pretty good, guys, overall. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter, follow. We got 3,845 people. Let's get this up to 4,000. I would appreciate it. I would love it. Let's get it, guys. This is huge news in the house, guys, and don't forget to go and check out the merch, guys. Check out the merch if it's going to load. Don't forget to get the mug mug to mug. Cookies, more cookies, guys. I'm the cookie monster. Don't forget to get the backpack. Don't forget to get the mug to mug. And don't forget and go on over to the Wifey's channel, guys. Go on over there. Subscribe. YB, show some love. I love it. You love it. So, guys, things are looking pretty good in the house overall. We're seeing the Dogecoin is going up, guys. Dogecoin is looking pretty good. We got the Robinhood wallets. We got the Dogex. We got a huge lot of catalysts going on for Dogecoin. So if you love Doge like I love Doge, smash the like, subscribe, YB. Peace out. God bless. See you in the next one. Woo! It's a great time to be alive. Whoa! Yeah.